ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nam ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santeli gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 ar pusau
Uminti rangba ka jilla Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma Hadien mega North-East United Football Club hakasin meningkong kalayo banra ka khusnam Durand Cup mentausnam arjar phosau lolek ban Kitbok riang hide kin hon hamaran GN Complex Hapolo Hakani kasngi ka khandai trik unai lur ka North-East United Football Club komisi benta ban ai khublei yaki patba nong Krishan jong club lawan ra ru yaka kop jong Durand Cup arjar phosau Hagajin lek Kitbok riang Conrad ke sangma ulai khublei ki rang yelek ka jo North-East United Football Club bat kumju ru yu coach lambat yu CEO jong club bat ki wede hagajin sandan lang ki officer katna yelek ka jong ka jilla Habakran ka jing ai khublei mindirang ba ka jilla Conrad ke sangma ulaben paw ka jing kemen halo ka jingla jong ka kin hon ban long kum ka Lahduh hagaduran kam badang shudam ba ulapen paw ru ba ka sorka ka club ben Krishan ting e yakani ka club
Winning the Durand Cup is really a great honor, I should say, and you guys played extremely well. I didn't miss out on most of the matches, and so it was very well played, and so you all deserved it. And we're very happy that finally at least a team from Northeast has managed to win this particular tournament. So I once again, on behalf of our government and our state, would like to congratulate all of you for this great. Second, of course, we really look forward to the future, and football is I think you must have seen, may not be on the right side at that particular day, but you must have seen the kind of passion that our youth have and our people have for football. So therefore, we really look forward to in the future to a lot of positive outcomes with ISL, and with of course the Northeast United partnering with us in our state. And it's not just about the games, but it's about the larger impact that we will see, especially for people who love football, and especially for our youngsters who would like to see one day wearing that jersey, who would dream of wearing that jersey and playing with some of you, and and maybe representing the country also at the top level. So really, that's what we are looking at. It's a much bigger and larger picture for us, and we are very hopeful that with Northeast United, with other clubs also, from the state, from the region also coming together, that Meghalaya will be a very important hub for football. And of course, with the setting up of the academy out here, I'm sure that is going to be a big boost to football as a whole. We are also coming up with a lot of programs at the grassroots level for picking up talent at the young age and to promote them at the young age. So there's going to be a lot of things happening, and we look forward to partnership with all of you. So you're not just playing for Northeast United, but you're also now playing for Meghalaya and the youngsters. So you're partnering and motivating. You're icons for the youth of our state and the region. So that's what we want you to see yourself as. And I'm sure that with your participation, all of this will be.